Hi, how you doing? Today in the kitchen I'm making a soup. It's something I make every year at this time when vegetables are plentiful. It's a tomato and potato chowder. So to start the soup, I put some olive oil in a pot. I then drizzle a little bit more. I then add about 1.5 cups of chopped onion and 1.5 cups of chopped carrots, as well as 2 cloves of garlic. If you had celery, you could add a cup of finely chopped celery here as well. I let that cook for 4 or 5 minutes just until the onions start to sweat. I then add in 4 cups of cubed potatoes, as well as 4 cups of skinned tomatoes. Canned tomatoes can also be used here. Then add enough chicken broth to cover the vegetables. I like better than bouillon, but any broth can be added here. You can also add whatever seasonings you prefer, like oregano or Italian seasoning. But I love dill in this recipe, so I add a big handful of chopped up fresh dill. Cover and simmer until the potatoes are cooked through. While that's cooking, I make a cheese sauce. Melt about 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat and add a 1/4 cup of flour. Cook the flour for about a minute while stirring constantly. Then add in 2 cups of milk and whisk to make a white sauce. Add in about 1/2 teaspoon or more of mustard powder. Allow that to bubble up, and then add in about 2 cups of shredded sharp or old cheddar cheese. Whisk the cheese sauce until smooth and just set it off to the side. When the potatoes are cooked through, take a cup or 2 of the broth from the pot and add it to the cheese sauce just to thin it down a bit. Then, after that's mixed, pour that cheese sauce back into the soup. Once that's all mixed together, at the end, add salt and pepper to taste. This is a very versatile and hearty soup that is sure to fill anyone's belly. I hope you get a chance to make and enjoy the soup. We're going to enjoy it for supper tonight. I'm Sharon. I garden on a large yard in a small town in east central Saskatchewan, Zone 3. This is my Sask Garden. Thanks very much for watching.